Hello, and welcome to my Introduction to Meditation course. I am so happy to have you here. Before we jump into meditation, not only what it is, but how to cultivate your own meditation practice in your own life, I want to talk a little bit about how meditation relates to Sonderity. If you've been following along with us for a little while, you know that me and my family are seeking Sonderity in our lives. One definition of Sonderity that we love is the quality of being able to realize the richness of people's lives, especially your own. Lately, I have loved being able to see just how rich my life is. I have loved having little moments in my life where I can see Sonderity and feel Sonderity for the events and for the little things that happen in my life. It fills me with joy and wonder as I sit back and just realize how rich my life is. A practice of meditation has really helped me to experience Sonderity more in my life because meditation helps me to experience my life in the present moment. Other definitions of Sonderity that I love and that I think work really well with this course include the feeling of richness in your life as you realize all that it means. Do you take time to feel the richness of your life? Do you take time to think about what your life means? If you do, you are already practicing meditation in a way. Another definition I love is to probe, to explore thoroughly your life, including why you make the choices you do and what you want out of life. Meditation has been a time for me to probe, to look into myself and to ask myself the big questions, like what do I want out of life? What choices do I want to make? In many ways, meditation reflects Sonderity for me. It gives me the opportunity to clearly see my life and to reflect on the richness that is there. As I practice meditation, I find that it becomes easier to really feel the richness of my life as I am experiencing it. I love meditation, and I want to share with you all the things that I know about meditation. I want you to be able to feel the Sonderity in your life, to really feel how rich and wonderful your life is. I hope this course will open you up to seeing yourself and seeing your life. I hope it will connect you to a deeper part of yourself so that you can truly experience the richness of your life on a daily basis. So I am so excited to begin. Let's learn about meditation and then we can create a practice in our own lives. Meditation is an incredible tool that helps you live in the present moment. It helps you to slow down your mind and gives you space to think clearly and for yourself so that you're free to make choices. In very real ways, a simple daily practice of meditation can have a huge impact on your life and how you handle the situations you are faced with. When I first started meditation, I had little to no knowledge about how or why it worked. I went to a doctor and she said, meditation could really help you. And so I wanted to try it. I went home and I sat in the corner for 5 minutes and I did my meditation. I did this for a few weeks and really didn't feel any differently. It wasn't helping me, so I gave up the practice. Fast forward to a year later, and I still had meditation on my mind. I still wanted to practice it. So I decided to gather a few tools and to learn more about meditation, to see why it works for some people, and to learn kind of how I could do it. I needed a little bit of guidance and direction. Although my meditation time was never perfect, I began to feel the power of meditation in my life, and it was very exciting to me. So I want to share with you what I have learned about meditation. In the first module of this course, we're going to talk about the why of meditation. I hope I can share with you some of the benefits that can come from creating and practicing your own meditation. I want to share with you a variety of reasons why it might be beneficial for you to begin your own meditation practice. And I'll invite you to think about why you want to begin your own meditation practice and what you would like to see happen as you practice meditation. In the second module, we're going to dive deep into the how of meditation, how it works, and how we can practice it in our own lives. We'll go ahead and do a deep dive into our subconscious and conscious minds and see what's happening in our brains as we practice meditation. Having this knowledge about how our brains work in meditation really helped me as I practice meditation, and I hope it will help you as you apply what you learn into your own meditation practice. After we learn about how the brain works in meditation, we're going to learn how to create our own meditation. And I will go through step by step how to create a meditation that will suit your needs. And then you can practice it in your own life. I'll also go ahead and give some practical advice and share some of my experiences with meditation that could potentially help you as you get started. Finally, in the last module, we'll put it all together and we will practice meditation. I have created a couple guided meditations that you can use as you get started, but what I really hope is that you'll take the meditation you created in Module 2 and that you will practice that meditation in your life for 30 days. I invite you to do this for 30 days so that you can see the power of meditation in your own life. And I invite you to use the meditation that you created because it will suit your needs perfectly. And by doing that yourself, you'll be able to see just how powerful meditation can be in your own personal life and that you can create something that's powerful for you. After you finish this course, I hope you'll have a great foundation about how meditation works and how you can incorporate it into your own life and that it will positively influence your life now and forever.